Hey everyone, welcome to Neil's World. In today's video, I will show you how you can put the text which is in front of me, behind me, how I did it using the artificial intelligence features of Filmora 13. In Filmora 13, let me start a new project and I'll import my clip to the project. I'll simply add one text. To show you the process, and match the text to the clip. Okay, so this is the text layer that I'm adding. I'll write something. Let me write text, and then I'll cut the text layer and simply drag this text layer to the top, and this layer will go behind. This layer will go behind the subject. How I put this layer behind the subject, let me show you. I will duplicate this video clip first and put the video clip to the top, and then put back everything else as aligned. I'll get the subject cut out from this layer and put it on top of the text layer so that the text layer goes behind. Now if I play this here, you don't see any text because this video layer is in front of the text layer. What I will do is cut out the subject in this video layer so that the text layer appears behind that cutout. Select the video layer, go to AI tools, and there is something called smart cutout. Okay, and I'll select that smart cutout. I can go ahead and click here. Let us go there, and to select or cut out the image, it is better to have a plain background to get a better cutout and a contrasting subject. But let me try and see whether this will work here. Let me simply brush the subject outline roughly to let the AI know this is the subject needs to be kept. Let me go to the advanced mode here and feather the edge a little bit so that the edge does not look very sharp, and go ahead with this button here, with this option, which is the tracking option. Track forward and reverse so that the whole video is tracked and the masking is complete. Okay, it seems to be a pretty good cutout. You can tinker around with the different brush sizes and everything, and also you can use this brush pencil icon and the eraser icon to fine-tune the selection or fine-tune the masking. I'm not going into the fine-tuning of the mask right now to show you the whole thing. I'll simply go ahead and put save. From here, the text behind, you see the text is coming behind. What I'll do is I'll cut short this portion here so that when I play now, you can see. I'll show you how you can put the text which is in front of me, behind me. Okay, you can see that what is happening. Let us fine-tune the whole thing, and you can see how I did it using the artificial intelligence features of Filmora 13. This is how you can put text behind object. It is pretty simple process using Filmora 13's AI tools. If you have not used Filmora 13 till now, you can use it and install it and try these AI features by clicking the links in the description below. And I hope you like this video, and if so, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos in future.